Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andy from MrYouWho, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Oclean X Pro Elite Smart Sonic Toothbrush, as you can see here. Having great white teeth is so important to me, as you can see. So I was super excited to get this toothbrush that is revolutionizing the way people brush. Guys, this toothbrush isn't just an ordinary toothbrush. It comes packed with features designed to give you the best possible brushing experience. From its ultra-quiet technology to its powerful maglev motor, this toothbrush promises to deliver an exceptional clean every time. Plus, with its smart touchscreen and customization options through the Oclean Care app, it's tailored to meet your specific oral hygiene needs. So guys, I'm pumped up to be showing this to you guys today and really, using it. Oclean is a brand dedicated to innovative research and development of electric toothbrushes and water flossers. So guys, they not only focus on maintaining top-notch cleaning capabilities, but also on noise reduction technology to enhance the user experience. So start with, guys, we'll do an unboxing to see what comes in the box. We'll then talk about some of the key features. We're actually going to go and test out the toothbrush as well. We're going to use it in the bathroom to show you guys how it works with all its different unique modes that it has. We're then going to show you how the app works as well, and give you guys a bit of an idea about what we think as well. But in MrYouWho, we actually test products out so you guys can see what the real experience is with it. Anyway, let's jump in now and start with the unboxing. Okay, let's take a look at the unboxing of the Oclean X Pro Elite. So as you can see, there's the lovely charging box. A bit more about the toothbrush, what it comes with. Again, very, very nice packaging, which reflects the premium feel of the product. So you go. To start with, you've got the quick start guide that goes through how to set it up nice and quickly, which we'll do just now. You've got the product manual as well, a bit more information about it. You've also got, now the toothbrush head is here. I actually took it out of the package earlier just to have a look at it before I did the unboxing. And there's the toothbrush there as well. This is the side, come back to it. So as you can see, there it is there. A lovely design. And put the toothbrush on there. And turn it on. It's as simple as just pressing the button and it comes on. Now this is touchscreen as well. So which basically means by doing the sides, you can change the menus. So you can change that to go through different types. Actually, I'll bring it a bit closer. So you could change the menus there by going through it and change them. So what I might do is just go back and look at the box before I go into that too more detail. So you've got the wireless charger here as well, which you can use. You could also mount it on the wall as well, if you want to mount it on there as well. Okay, so you've got the option 1, gives you the default mode. So default is just standard clean, but you can also change the mode here as well. So you get clean, you can do sensitive, you can do massage, and you can do white, and all these have different parts. Now you can also adapt the mode. So if we go down further, press the button again. So it started, we'll go, so it starts to clean. As you can see, it's cleaning there at the moment. See the head's vibrating? Now that's the diamond bristles as well that's using it. Again, no sound. You can't really hear it, which is absolutely... So swipe down to stop that, to go back into something else. You can change the duration of it too if you want. You can increase or decrease it, depending on what you want. Let's go back, and also you've got the intensity. So intensity, you can increase the intensity if you want. So up to 20, so as you can see, it goes all the way. So this is a full customization of the different modes that you can do. So depending on what you want, you can do it. I'm going to test them out, as I said, shortly, and have a look how it works and the duration. So the Oclean X Pro Elite comes in a stylish limestone grey colour, as you can see. It's equipped with a smart touchscreen that displays brushing results and missed areas instantly, thanks to its built-in 6-axis gyroscope. This feature ensures you never miss a spot during your brushing routine, which is absolutely fantastic. This really helps you maintain optimal oral hygiene. And guys, what they found is most people miss brushing spots unconsciously every time, and they miss the same ones again and again. So guys, let's turn it on and demonstrate how it works. The first thing you notice is how quiet it is. So let's do it now. With its operational noise levels about 42 decibels, this toothbrush offers a soothing brushing experience, unlike any I've tried. As you can see, it's on at the moment next to my toothbrush, and you can't even hear it. The electric toothbrushes generally operate at 55-65 decibels, or even higher, which can be quite loud. So as you can see here, the Oclean X Pro Elite, on the other hand, is almost as quiet as a library, thanks to its whisper clean noise reduction technology. It really is good. The Oclean X Pro Elite is also powered by a maglev 2.0 motor. Now what it means is it delivers up to 84,000 movements per minute. It's crazy. This high-speed motor ensures deep cleaning and efficiency, far surpassing the capabilities of many traditional sonic motors. And the dew point diamond and W-shaped bristles are designed to reach deep into the gaps between your teeth, providing a thorough clean every time. It really is great. The other thing with toothbrushes is customization is key. So this offers 4 brushing modes. You've got your clean, your sensitive, your massage, and your white, and 32 intensity levels. This allows you to tailor your brushing experience to your specific needs. So let's look at these modes now on the touchscreen. So as you can see, switching between modes is straightforward, and the touchscreen interface is very user-friendly. You literally just press through, and you can go through them right on the side. See by the side you do it. Now, if you're interested in purchasing the Oclean X Pro Elite, check out the links in the description below. Your support helps keep the channel growing, and I truly appreciate it. And if you enjoyed the review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any future updates. 35 days of use on a single charge, compared to other electric toothbrushes, which generally last only about 14 days. The toothbrush also features a wireless quick charge that fully charges the device in just 3.5 hours, making it incredibly convenient for daily use. So that, guys, that battery life is very important, because very often with my other toothbrushes, I would get lost without it working. It's also got IPX7 waterproof rating. This means the toothbrush is fully protected against water immersion, making it safe to use in the shower. This also adds a level of versatility and convenience that's hard to beat. Now, the guys at Oclean have done some research and shows that 90% of people miss certain areas while brushing, particularly hard to reach spots. The consequence of this is plaque building up, bleeding gums, bad breath, and cavities. You see, the Oclean X Pro Elite addresses this by providing instant feedback and guidance, ensuring a complete clean. So guys, it's really in a way like having a dentist in your room. You're brushing your teeth, you're getting live feedback, you're adjusting it depending on what you need to do, which doesn't normally happen. It's brilliant. Now, Toothbrush has been awarded Statista GmbH, a professional independent German institute, as the most popular toothbrush in Germany. The smart features and advanced technology, it's no surprise that this toothbrush has received such high praise. And guys, I really love it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and do a live demonstration just now, showing you brushing of this, showing how effective it is, and kind of showing the feedback on the app as well. But guys, you're going to love how this works. So guys, I just set up the Oclean toothbrush with the Oclean app. The great thing with this is it personalizes it based around your teeth type, your age, and I guess what you're trying to accomplish. So it took no time to synchronize it, but now I'm going to go and brush my teeth with the Oclean and show you guys exactly how it comes up on the app. So again, I've set clean intensity 25, 2-minute timer. So I'm going to put it on now and kind of to start with. So I just turn it on, and it feels really nice on your teeth. It feels like a light vibration compared to other toothbrushes, which is like jackhammers in your face. It's very, very light and no noise, which makes it quite pleasant for using. Anyway, I'm going to go and put it on now and give you guys my opinion. I'm going to fast forward the 2 minutes, and then we're going to check out the app and see the results. So let's do it just now. So there you go, guys, the brushing's just finished, and look how clean and white my teeth are. So it took 2 minutes. Now the brushing was really nice. It felt like a light massage on my gums, and my teeth feel so clean. Actually, it's the cleanest I've ever felt them. Wow, it's brilliant. But let's take a look at the app and have a look. Now you can also see with those motors in there, how quickly the teeth vibrates, how it's getting rid of any dirt, any gums on your teeth. Let's have a look at the app, as you can see in front of it. So let's go to our coverage. So there we are. So let's scroll down. So there's my oral cleaning. So apparently I had good on my left side, but poor. So the red there is insufficient coverage. Now I swear I went over that. So it just shows unconsciously I'm doing more over that side than over this side. If you guys saw the video, I don't know whether you agree I did that. So I'm going to go back now and actually go over the other side to make sure I get it right. Thank God it taught me. Toothbrushing score is 88. Indicating inadequate cleaning is partial area neglect. So I need to make sure that I do it each time. It gives you how long you've been brushing for, and it gives you, see, the score as well. So 4 minutes, frequency. So guys, you can see straight away, it's letting me know how effective my cleaning has been. Now this is revolutionary. The reason being is how do you know if you're brushing correctly or not? Not only does this brush effectively, but it helps you track it. I mean, it's just brilliant. If I go back into the app as well, as you can see, there's a detailed report and a bit more about the weekly average, about how much I've cleaned. So, and there's a device too. And you go through different types of cleaning as well. So you'll do strong whitening, if you're like a wine lover, super whitening. So if you want a deep whitening clean, which I really like, and you got the sensitive cleaning there at 3 minutes, T-Spa, and your standard. So you can customize these programs depending on what you want. If you go smart recommendations, and here's where you can actually adapt it as well. So guys, excellent, really, really good toothbrush. I've actually enjoyed using it. I couldn't believe how much I would enjoy using a toothbrush like this. The Oclean X Pro Elite is an exceptional toothbrush that offers a perfect blend of technology, efficiency, and convenience. Its smart features, guys, will ensure you never miss a spot, and its powerful motor provides deep cleaning, and its ultra-quiet operation makes brushing a pleasant experience. With up to 35 days battery life and quick wireless charging, it's a toothbrush designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. And guys, this has now revolutionized the way I brush. I do use electric toothbrushes, and this has taken it to another level compared to those other guys. So it really is good. So if you're interested in purchasing the Oclean X Pro Elite, check out the links in the description below. Your support helps keep the channel going, and I truly appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this review, guys, as always, don't forget to like the button, subscribe, and ring-a-ding that notification bell, and don't miss any future updates. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.